All right, welcome back to Better Kansas City. I got my hairnet on, my hands are washed. I'm stepping back into the bakery at Strawberry Hill Povitica, and they're letting me make Povitica. So we're back in the bakery?
Yeah.
All right, and we're learning how to make Povitica. Can you kind of walk through what she's doing?
Yeah, so
she's got that thin layer of dough there, like you talked about earlier.
So we've got the thin layer of dough. We roll that out nice and thin, and then we take our filling. Now this happens to be our cream cheese.
Okay.
So remember, it used to be cottage cheese, but now it's cream cheese, a little bit of sugar. We roll it, or spread it nice and thin. And here's the magic.
There we go.
Just like Grandma used to make it.
That's right. Now I'm gonna try this.
Yeah, why not?
All right, let's give it a shot. She made it look really easy, so I'm about to make it look really complicated.
Well, you get to take home whatever you make. So
oh, excellent. Well, I'll take over for a little bit here. So.
All right, so we're going to take our cream cheese filling, and we're going to take all that filling and put it out on the dough.
All right. So just like that there.
Oh, you're a natural.
Oh yeah, I can use a spatula from every once in a while. All right.
Okay, and just set your cup down, and then take that and in small strokes. You want to spread it from the inside to the out, and you try to get it as even as possible. Now, my average employee has been with me 10 years. So they're artisan bakers. They make this every day for a living. I don't expect you to get it perfect on day one.
Okay, well,
but if you do, you're hired. We need all the help we can get this time of year.
We got to make those 300,000 loaves, right?
That's right. And at this pace, it takes us till April. That's okay. Hey.
Not only does Mark make good Povitica, but you can catch him at the Improv on Friday nights.
So you take your spatula.
Okay.
And you just in a big circle around the outside, just kind of take, there you go. That takes it all the way to the edge. You do it all the same way on the other side. Perfect. Now, this used to be the bed sheet. But you take your fingers and you put it under there, and you want to take your finger and kind of get that edge going in that direction. Just like that. And then you pull.
Ha-ha!
Oh, look at that. Okay, now here's the tough part.
Okay.
Grab a pan, and you want to tuck it in. Kind of like you're tucking in your children at night. You want to tuck your corner in. Same thing for the other side. And grab that and fold it in an S shape. So just grab that end and drag it this way. Just grab it, drag it, keep going all the way.
Oh, all the way down?
All the way down.
Okay.
And then you reverse it out. And you squeeze it like that and put it in the pan.
All right, there's one. Only 299,999 left to go.